And right now, jury deliberations have begun in the murder trial of David Damus. He is one of 3 people charged in connection with the shooting death of Eric Rootnerine of Poinciana. WESH 2's Amanda Ober is live in Kissimmee with a look at this morning's closing arguments. Amanda.
Well, just about 40 minutes ago, the judge wrapped up his instructions to the jury. They were sent off to select a foreman and should be beginning their deliberations any time now. They will ultimately determine the fate of 22-year-old David Damus, who faces life in prison for the 2013 murder of Eric Rootnerine. Now, this case relied heavily on the testimony of 22-year-old Juan Muriel. He is one of 4 suspects involved in the case and agreed to testify against Damus in order to avoid a life sentence for murder. The other 2 suspects, Victoria Rios and Conrad Schaefer, faced trials in September. According to prosecutors, the 4 had gone to Eric Rootnerine's home to rob him. And while it's not clear who actually fired the fatal gunshot, the state says there's enough evidence to prove Rios, Schaefer, and Damus all participated in the murder. But Damus's attorney says it was Conrad Schaefer who bears all the blame.
Conrad Schaefer is the one who pulled the trigger. Conrad Schaefer is the one who retrieved the knife. Conrad Schaefer is the one who stabbed Eric Rootnerine to death. Conrad Schaefer is the one who decided to rob the house. Conrad Schaefer will have his day in court, but David Damus, just like Juan Muriel, was in the wrong place at the wrong time.
And the evidence in this case is absolutely overwhelming that David Damus, Victoria Rios, and Conrad Schaefer went to Eric Rootnerine's house to rob him. With that assault rifle. And during that robbery, one of them took his life, and that is all we need to prove. It actually going in was beyond his moral compass.
Now, yesterday, Damus himself took this stand, and there was a very contentious exchange between Damus and Jeff Ashton. Damus accused the state attorney of trying to pin him for the murder because Ashton is trying to recover from his failure to convict Casey Anthony. In Damus's words, he said, "Losing the Casey Anthony case made you look bad." So now this all is in the hands of the jury. If convicted, Damus will face life in prison. We, of course, will be here at the courthouse in Kissimmee, and we'll bring you full coverage when that verdict does come down. Live in Osceola County, Amanda Ober, WESH 2 News.